right, we got 2014 Contenders and Select Dual Box Break. I like that you guys got into this, okay? I know it took a little bit longer, and I have no idea why. And here's my reasoning. Contenders is 180 a box now. Select 55. Just do some very basic. I was hooking you guys up today. Come on, man. Fuzzy Bad Feet. I like it. Scotty K, Dog Father, E. Rubio, Mr. E-Man, Dog Father running around, Man Marley, Gus, Scotty K, Kick Daddy, Frank, Da Tank, Packer 21, Willie Mays Hayes. Here's everybody up in it. Don't be scared of Hot Lana down there. All right. So let's get a box out of this select case. All right. Oh. Let's do select first. So good to have you guys on board. Thanks so much. UltimateBoxBreaks.com. Go jump into a select break and just feel it. That's all I'm saying. So looking for the auto serial number, and I'm telling you, I'm still putting together the patch auto set out of here. So here's a Kane Coulter, and that's 6 out of 50 going to Minnesota. Kane Coulter. So if we hit a rookie patch auto tonight that I need, I'm gonna buy it off you. Here's Preston Brown, 29 out of 199. Laces out, Dan. Laces out. So going to Miami, that'll be Willie Mays Hayes. And actually those sell for, I'm telling you, look at the resale on Select. 193 out of 199. I'm telling you, just look at it. You can get your buy-in back right there with that Dan Marino. So we're missing a hit out of that box. So that's one thing that I have to. So, what I do for missing hits, this is not a big deal. Select. So what I do is I submit, and then whenever it comes back in, I'll tweet it out, and then I'll get it sent out to you guys as well. There should be 2 hits per side here. 150 points, which actually the rewards points ain't half bad if you look at the rewards store. Popeye up in here. What's up, bud? Here's Zach Stacy going to St. Louis, 21 out of 99. But can I get some focus, Zach Stacy? What are we doing here? Then you got a Bryce Brown going to Buffalo. So Bryce Brown, that's Fuzzy Bad Feet. There you go, bud. And then, how about that? Going to New England. It's Jimmy-O getting a little Jimmy Garoppolo. How fitting. Tell me this is going to be short print. I like it. 54 out of 75. A little Garoppolo love. Dude, he's going to play for someone at some point in time. I promise. The second Brady steps down, which they're probably going to put robot legs on Brady, Garoppolo's going to step up. So gorgeous. Short print Garoppolo. You guys still have an extra hit coming to you guys. Like I said, I just submit to Panini and they get us squared away. And I'll let you guys know exactly where. But you guys still got a box of 2014 Contenders now. Yeah, Super Bowl break was unbelievably fun, dude. That was a huge break. All right, so we know the hits in the back every time. So let's just get right back to it. I didn't even understand what the headset gate thing was all about. Another 150 points, so we'll get that out. They said Pittsburgh could hear... Wait, Pittsburgh could hear New England? Is that what it was? So you guys can grab spots, though, in 2014 Select. Little dual breaks. Fun, late night, good stuff. Yeah, kickoff break. Is that what you're saying? Yeah. I'm sure that's what you meant, Popeye. Little Bishop Sankey going to Tennessee. Packer 21. So on card. Bishop Sankey. And then you got Devontae Adams, Rookie Inc. RPS. That's a solid hit. I'm going to take a Devontae Adams all day. It's going to Green Bay. Mantle, 57. Oh, come on. I thought it was going to be audited for 17 out of 199. Derelique going to Oaktown to Dogfather. Last stack here of Contenders, but we got graded gallery coming up directly after this. If you guys want to jump into some late night little fun stuff, Select is up there for you guys. If not, we can shut her down. That's no big deal. But we're here, we might as well break some, right? Cyrus, Kawanji Jojo, going to Buffalo. Fuzzy Bad Feet. So a couple packs left. Still looking for maybe, what, 1 or 2 hits? Well, we still have to get rid of the 150 points. There's 2 of them that we're going to get rid of. Here's Lorenzo Talaferio. 96 out of 199. Going to Baltimore. Frank the Tank. Only 3 spots left in Select if you guys want to get involved in it. We can do a couple rounds of Select. Like I said, dude, Select's a fun little break. Throw some duels in there. We get some weird stuff out of Select, too. Then going to Washington. Cody Hoffman, 29 out of 199. It's Packer 21. So the 30th and the 31st spot. See you, Pudge. Grabbing up some hits. All right, so nice Devontae Adams, a nice Jimmy Garoppolo, but let me go ahead and get the points cards out here. There's 1 and 2. Let's look at these points cards, ran them off to you guys. So if you're just swinging by, we got graded gallery coming up directly after this. Phone for the random tool. All right. So we need to get the random through 32. All right. So third number that shows up will get 150 points. Same number can't win twice. Once, twice, 3 times. Number 5. So Mr. E-Man. Got 1 of them. So 5 can't win again. Third number, once, twice, 3 times. Number 12, Mr. E-Man winning on a different number. you can get your money back right there on those two cards. Cool.